morning everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. You're joining me today in the Black Forest in the new Porsche 911 992.2, and I tell you, up to this point I already had loads of fun in this car. This car was kindly lent to me by Porsche Pforzheim. They are willing to work a little bit together with me on this YouTube thing, and I'm super grateful that they gave me this beautiful car and just for the opportunity to be able to do this right now. I just took off and I need to quickly turn off the speed warning and lane keeping assist. Yeah, you actually have to do that every time you start the car. It's a little bit annoying, but honestly not Porsche's fault. That is a new law. They can't do anything about it. And I have to say, they actually managed to choose quite a good sound for the speed warning. It's not that annoying. But yeah, better just to turn it off. What's there to say about the 992.2? I mean, obvious changes are the new start-stop button, which is no longer the classic turn to start button that we are used to in keyless Porsche cars. I kind of miss it, but honestly it does not bother me as much as I thought it would, so I'm not gonna complain anymore about this. Second thing is the new display. You don't have a analog rev counter anymore, but it's a very nice display. I have it set to the classic layout like it's supposed to be in a Porsche, and after driving it yesterday and today I'm actually fine with it now. On to the good things about the car. This base model 911 now has the turbos of the previous GTS. It comes in at just under 400 horsepower, and this car is so quick that I personally really don't know if I would need anything more than a base model 911. Just switch the dial into Sport Plus. Shifts are insanely quick, and just let it fly through some back roads. And I have to say, I don't really know if you honestly need anything more. This is probably fast, but I also have to say I don't have the biggest experience with a lot of super fast cars. I still really enjoy something like this 400 horsepower base 911. I really do. Yeah, and we are approaching one of my favorite roads in the Black Forest, and I have to say the colors of the forest right now, it just looks so nice. Okay, let's hope for the best. makes a nice blow-off sound when you let off the gas.